Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Mobo Grande. Today I'm going to show you how to use a portable espresso maker. It's perfect for making delicious coffee when you are traveling, camping, or even at the office. Let's get started. Before starting explaining how to use this, we are going to unboxing this package. As you can see, this is the coffee maker, portable coffee maker, and you can use it everywhere you want. With this coffee maker, you can use for two types of capsules. I will show you the capsules, how you can put inside of here. This is for small capsules, and you can put small capsules here and put here. And for large type of capsules, this is the large type of capsules you put here, very easy. And after that, you can use these tools for keep it. And another here, you have to fill the water here. With this espresso maker, you have two types of using. You can fill the hot water and cold water. First we try with cold water. We fill it with cold water, and we fill half of this capacity of water and close it. And for heating this cold water, we double tap this button, and we are waiting for this water boiling. We fill this place with cold water, and this portable coffee maker boil the water. And the mechanism of this espresso maker is after boiling the water, put the water inside of capsule coffee, and after that make the espresso for us. With one-time charge of this device, you can make 4 or 5 cups of espresso with cold water. And with hot water, if you put hot water in this place, you can directly make the coffee from hot water, and you can make 23 cups with hot water with 1 times of charging. And the capacity of battery of this device is 2500 milliampere per hour. For coffee powder, you can use this box. You can fill the coffee powder in here, and after that you can close it and put inside this inside of device instead of capsules, and it's very economical. For some person use the special type of coffees, and this one is for small capsules, and you can put small capsules in here and put inside of device, so you can use three types of coffees with these options. Okay, we now I think this device is ready for making the coffee, because the it's going to boil the water and a little bit hot, and after 1 or 3 minutes it's ready, and now you can see it's making the coffee, and the device is working for making coffee. This coffee type is capsule coffee macchiato. Okay, now our coffee is ready for use. If you like coffee with chocolate, you can buy this this chocolate syrup and add to your coffee and drink it. And after this, I want to show you how to use directly with hot water, and this is another option of this portable espresso maker. If you are at home and you have the hot water, boiling water, you don't need to use the device as a boiling water. You can use this hot water, fill here with hot water, and as you can see, if you long press, you can have extract directly hot water in here. Okay, as you can see, our coffee is ready to use by hot water, and this is, as you can see, is creamy, and I think it's very delicious. We are waiting for coffee.
If you like our video, please like and subscribe.
Okay, our coffee is ready for use, and bon appetit. For using other capsules like a small capsule, I will show you how to use it. As you can see, this is the big capsule I used before. For a small capsule, you put capsule in here and you put in here this capsule, and after that you can close it and use it. It's very easy. And for powder coffee, you fill the coffee in here. You fill the powder coffee in here and close it. After that, put in here and close the door. Very easy.